What begins as a quiet day at a local park shatters in seconds when an argument with an 11-year-old girl explodes into violence, leaving her mother desperate and dialing 911.
Look at her, laughing and smiling and shit. Just know people are coming after you, ho.
I would recommend not saying anything to further incriminate yourself.
She needs to shut the fuck up. Nobody asked her to run her dick sucker. And I hope your daughter dies.
Watch this, I my car up.
Go ahead, hit.
Stop! Hey!
On April 18, 2025, Canton police officers were dispatched to Stark Wayne Schrader Park after a mother called 911, reporting that her daughter had been assaulted. According to officers, 20-year-old Destany Scott had allegedly gotten into a fight with an 11-year-old girl and repeatedly slammed the child's head against the metal portion of a slide. What followed was a disturbing series of events that escalated the situation even further.
This grown-ass woman just shot my 11-year-old daughter in her head.
Okay. I have the whole video recording.
Is she bleeding?
Yes.
Stomped my daughter at the park.
And they got it all on video.
Knocked her unconscious.
Okay.
And she has it all recorded right here. A friend recorded the entire thing. She has an entire lump on the side of her head right here. And she's gonna tell me it's because your daughter ran her fucking mouth.
When she's in the house, just came in with
1634 Hammond.
What was the lady that did it look like?
Her and the girl that was with her
all
right
black,
here.
nasty ass booty shorts. All right, you guys do me a favor. Just go down here. Okay?
Go down by our car.
Hi.
In there, cat.
Is this 2 units?
No, you want
It's 1 unit.
one big one.
Okay. So are you the one? Are you
No,
involved?
I'm not the one. She's upset. So what happened? That little girl was hitting her first. Like
Okay.
she put her hands on Destiny first.
So I understand that she's upset, but we gotta talk to her. Okay? Can you let her know?
Out.
She won't come out.
She's gonna go to jail.
Well, she doesn't come out and talk to us. It's a much bigger problem.
Search for
I'm gonna go tell her.
Okay. As of right now, we're just talking to people. But if she doesn't come out, that's called obstruction.
All right.
What's her name? Destiny? What's her last name?
Scott.
Scott?
Yeah.
They were gonna kill me.
Are you Destiny?
Yep.
All right, Destiny. I need you to tell me what's going on, okay?
Little girl started running her mouth.
Mm-hmm.
And she hit me, so I ran up on her and hit her back.
Okay. And this happened at the park?
Mm-hmm.
What did she say to you, and then how did she hit you? I need you to kind of break me down the whole story, okay?
Like this, and then she was sitting there calling her a fat ass, and then sitting there calling us both fat asses, and everything out of the book. And then that's how it went down.
And then she came up to you, slapped you in the face? Where?
In the face.
In your face? Open hand?
Open hand.
Okay. And then you struck back, and that's kind of what happened?
Yeah, now they did call us yesterday or the day before to come down to the park and get them. There was a whole...
Well, so when did this happen today, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the other day they were all fighting just
Trying to
fine.
start stuff?
Yeah, they were all fighting down there on,
As they spoke with Desong, she played cell phone footage she had recorded of the alleged assault. In the video, which was later turned over to police,
they said some lady curb stomped this kid. I guess there's a video. That's what they said. I guess there's a video. I'm trying to.
Received it 1426.
Do you guys got the video? I can see real quick.
and there's a police camera at the park as well.
We're gonna take her. All right, that's where you guys want to come with. You want me to go?
That's fine.
Andy, we're gonna go right in the back of the ambulance here. Go right in the side door here, okay?
viewers are advised that the following clip may be disturbing.
Literally a whole ass dog. I don't suck that. I don't suck that. Huh? What?
You still running your mouth?
Yup, to my friends.
Not about my friend.
Mm-hmm.
No.
You're a whole ass adult.
Go ahead. Run your face.
You're a whole ass
Run
adult.
your face.
You're a whole ass
Run your face and
adult.
I'll block this way. Go ahead, run your faces. Run your faces.
I didn't do that. Call the cops. Call the cops. They're
Are you a snitch?
Yup. Yup, I'm a snitch when you're a whole ass adult.
Because you're a snitch and you're scared of me.
Yup. I didn't do shit. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying is I didn't do nothing. I have no part in this shit.
I don't give a fuck.
There's a whole ass police camera right there. Oh, that's your child? That's your kid? He's cute.
Now, bitch. Go home, Bacon.
Scott can be seen engaging with the child and forcefully slamming her head against the slide's platform.
Don't need to see the whole thing, but just for medical stuff.
It happened at Park.
No, he's talking about in the video where the violence started. He said, call the police. This is where they're provoking him to come and run to Faith. Then she runs up the thing.
Do you know these people at all? Or
No.
Just, okay.
My daughter even told her kid was cute.
Who's recording this?
She ran up there and was stomping my daughter, that grown-ass big lady.
Alright. They started yelling back and forth. She slapped her. And she defended herself.
19.
So the kid hit you?
Yes.
Okay. What happened after that? Where were you guys
We
at?
started fighting. We was up at the park on the thing, and I ran up to her because she was talking her shit, so I talked my shit back. She hit me and I hit her back. That's all that happened.
How'd you hit her back?
All I did was smack her in the face and start smacking her around.
You didn't do nothing else?
No.
What if I told you it's all on video and I just watched
I don't
it?
care.
So you're gonna be under arrest. Stand up.
See, I told you, bro.
Stand up for your hands on your back.
Look at her laughing and smiling and shit. Just know people are coming after you, ho. No people are coming after you. No people are coming after you.
I would recommend not saying anything to further incriminate yourself.
She needs to shut the fuck up. Nobody asked her to run her dick.
Hey, cross the street for me, please. Thank you.
And I hope your daughter die at that.
As officers detained Scott, she remained combative and disorderly. While in handcuffs, she shouted threats at Desong, including telling her that she hoped the 11-year-old would die. Hearing that, Desong broke past officers and attempted to charge at Scott. She was immediately restrained and placed under arrest herself, charged with disorderly conduct and obstructing official business.
My car up.
Go ahead, hit.
Stop! Hey!
He really just left me. Oh my God, guys, guys. Please tell my fiance to get my youngest. It's okay, Maylin. She said Liliana died.
Where are you guys at?
Take Maylin home, please, and call my grandpa for Liliana.
Over here?
Really though? She just said, you know my daughter died? I hope we go to the same pod, bitch.
Ma'am, you can't try to assault someone in front of the police.
I'm sorry.
Weapons,
No.
right? Okay.
I don't even know stalk someone for Christ's
I
sake.
understand. Go ahead and take a seat, okay? You have anything else on you in there?
Nope.
Like, ma'am, you can't try to assault someone in front of the police. She goes, I know.
You need a hand getting out of the door?
Scott was transported from the scene and booked into the Stark County Jail on charges of assault and disorderly conduct. Days later, the case escalated further. A Stark County grand jury indicted Destany Scott on a felony charge of child endangerment, alongside multiple counts of assault. She pleaded not guilty, and her bond was set at $95,000 while awaiting trial. What began as a violent attack on a child in a park ended with 2 arrests, felony charges, and a community stunned by the disturbing words, "Caught on body cam." For more real cases, caught on police body cameras, raw, unfiltered, and straight from official reports, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to BodyCamElite.